first, we are not professional repairman for the phone, but without tapes, I just want to show you how to use our tapes to repair the phone screen. You look, this phone screen is broken, but we can buy a new one to stick it on. We have 3 different tapes to repair the phone screen. The red one and the black one belongs to our own brand. This is from 3M. Okay, let me try it. It's very thin, very thin. It can fix the edge of the phone. Take the red release paper off. You can see the adhesive is very clean. Put the new screen on very slowly and carefully. Okay, it's done. We give the phone a new life. And this tape, it has a very strong adhesive